Radhe Radhe everyone, Jai Gurudev. I was just recently looking at Lord Vishnu's iconography, his photo. I was meditating upon it, and it came to me that why he holds these four elements. Apart from the description given in Vishnu Purana, which I will discuss later, what I as a devotee witnessed, like what a devotee can perceive from those four iconographies. First of all, he holds the disc. Of course, he is famous for holding the disc. So the disc is to there. He uses it to cut through the illusions and the attachments of the devotee, which are holding him back from using his true potential, from practicing bhakti, devotion, and sadhana. Next up, he holds the conch, which conch is blown at the beginning for auspiciousness. It represents a very auspicious sound, and it silences the noise inside the mind. That is why it is blown. The conch is blown before the beginning of an auspicious task, work, or an event whatsoever. So he is excited for you to go on your new endeavors and return back to him and share your experiences, your love with devotion and love. So he is there as your guardian, as your friend, as your mate, as your bystander, who will blow conch at your every new beginning. He holds the mace so that he can protect you from any negativity or anything that has come to harm you. He will protect you from everything, whatever is stopping you. He will break those shackles with his mace. He will cut through your illusions. He will blow conches. And in the end, at your victory, he will offer you the lotus flower. He will be always there for you. He will shower you with blessings, with flowers. He will give you lotuses, because he also holds the lotus. So he is, by all means, he's trying to show that no, he has all the capacity. He is trying to win your trust so that you can trust him, you surrender onto him, so that you trust him, and then you can finally enjoy your life, be fearless, and be yourself, so that you can live, love, and laugh as it goes. So that is, I was just meditating upon this, and it just struck me like how God loves us so much. If you have more opinions, I would love to know in the comments. Thank you. Have a nice one. Bye bye.